My name is Christian Villa, and this is my presentation, Sleep Better, Feel Better. Have you ever gotten up for work or for school and still feel exhausted? Or hit the wall during the day and you just want to curl up in bed and just go back to sleep? Well, if you have any of these problems, you may not be sleeping well at night. If you're like me, sometimes I have trouble sleeping the night before. I may wake up in the middle of the night and have trouble sleeping. Now, my name is Christian Villa, and the purpose of this presentation is to give you tips and tricks on how to sleep better at night. Hopefully these tips will help you sleep like a baby. Now, I'm not a doctor nor am I in the medical field, so you may want to consult your physician before trying any of these tips. First, I'm going to go over the effects of lack of sleep, such as fatigue, health issues, and even accidents driving or even at work. So, the first issue is there are these things called sharp wave ripples. These are brain waves that transfer memory from the hippocampus to the neocortex. Lack of sleep actually affects the long-term memory that these sharp wave ripples bring. In addition, it impairs your judgment, such as problem-solving simple tasks and making them more difficult, making rash decisions, and it might even affect your reasoning. Now, according to WebMD, 90% of people with sleep issues have underlying health problems such as heart failure, such as heart disease, which cause heart failure, heart attacks, and maybe even irregular heartbeats. Now, sleep actually rejuvenates and rests your heart muscles. So the lack of sleep actually puts you at a higher risk of hypertension. And the next issue is accidents driving. So driving while not fully awake is almost equivalent to driving while under the influence. As a matter of fact, the NHTSA has recorded 100,000 sleep-related crashes. Fatigue also was a big factor on 2 major nuclear accidents in 3 Mile Island and Chernobyl, and the Exxon Valdez oil spill. Now, I'm going to go over 5 tips to get better rest. This includes a sleep schedule, a healthy diet, daily exercise, creating a restful environment. If all else fails, you might want to talk to your physician. Now, you'd want to have a consistent sleep schedule. Sleep at the same time at night, wake up at the same time in the morning, as this normalizes your circadian rhythm. Now, you wouldn't want to sleep more than 8 hours. As a matter of fact, healthy adults only require 7 hours of sleep a night. And get into the sunlight, as this tells your body to get going. Now, you might want to watch your diet. Stay away from caffeine a few hours before you sleep. This includes coffee and chocolates. And you might think that alcohol might help you go to sleep, but in fact, it disrupts your sleep. Now, going to bed hungry can keep you awake. The same goes with going to bed too full. So if you're hungry at night, maybe an hour before you go to bed, have a snack such as an apple or cheese and crackers. Now, daily exercise not only keeps your heart healthy, but it also boosts melatonin, which is a sleep hormone. And additionally, you may want to create a relaxing environment. Only use your bedroom to go to sleep. And put away those iPhones, turn off the TV, stop looking at your iPads before you go to sleep. And remember to keep your room dark and cool. Now, if all else fails, you may want to talk to a physician. A sleep study can help you find the underlying causes of your sleeplessness, such as GERD or sleep apnea. Now, to sleep well, remember, stick to a schedule. Know when and what to eat, exercise regularly, create a restful environment, and even contact a physician. Now, there are many, many more tips to get better sleep, but hopefully following these tips will help you sleep better at night. Remember, sleep better, feel better. Thank you for your time.